Hey, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to add a drop shadow in Photoshop, and actually that's pretty easy, so let's start it. You need a text inside Photoshop. If you don't know how to create one, you will find here a tool, is named horizontal type tool, or either you can press T on your keyboard and in this way you can create a text, okay? Here is the layer, but I have one so I will just delete it. Now in order to add a drop shadow to a text, you can make it more visible, more readable. Select the text here on the layers, and after that you'll see here a button. Let's press on it and you can select drop shadow, and let's see which are the settings right here. Here is the size of the shadow, here is the spread of the shadow, and here is the distance, but most often you will select 0 right here. So let's see how can we make it look nice. You can either play with size, make it smaller, incredible smaller, and increase the spread all the way to the maximum, and that's a very cool drop shadow which everybody uses. Alright, and let's see what other types of drop shadows we can create. Well, you can increase the size, make it something like that. You can also give some space in between the letters from here. Alright, you got the point. Let's get back to the drop shadow. If you lead the spread to the maximum and you can give it a decent size, you can play now with the distance and you can create a 3D effect with the help of the shadow, right? Or also you can adjust the size to a decent size, decrease the spread, right, and also the opacity just a tiny bit. So you have many types of drop shadows which you can add to a text inside Photoshop. I hope this tutorial helped you out and I hope you have a great day.